Blockstream Jade app. The pros, the cons. The Blockstream Jade app has earned a lot of attention among Bitcoin users for being one of the most trusted open-source hardware wallet solutions. But is it really worth your time and money? Most people get this wrong, but here's why the Jade wallet might surprise you. Let's start with the pros. The biggest strength of Blockstream Jade is its focus on Bitcoin security. It's an open-source hardware wallet that lets users store Bitcoin and liquid assets offline, away from hackers and malware. By isolating private keys on the Jade device, it makes your crypto virtually unhackable even if your computer is compromised. Another big plus is transparency. Since it's open source, anyone can audit the code. That means there's no hidden backdoor, and the community constantly reviews updates to ensure maximum security. This level of openness builds trust, something not every wallet can offer. The Jade app also connects smoothly with Blockstream Green, a highly respected Bitcoin wallet. Together, they provide multi-signature support and strong two-factor authentication, adding extra protection layers for your funds. Now, let's talk about the cons. One clear downside is that Jade is Bitcoin-focused. If you hold Ethereum, Solana, or other altcoins, this wallet won't work for you. It's built specifically for Bitcoin and liquid assets, not for traders with diverse portfolios. Another con is setup complexity. While advanced users appreciate its features, beginners might find the installation and pairing process a bit technical. It's not as plug and play as some mainstream wallets. And finally, no built-in touch screen. Navigation relies on buttons, which may feel less modern compared to newer hardware wallets. In conclusion, the Blockstream Jade app is a powerhouse for serious Bitcoin users who value transparency, control, and unmatched security. The surprising truth is it's not for everyone, but for those who live and breathe Bitcoin, Jade delivers peace of mind that's hard to beat.